Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some of the new items that they have on Dress to Impress. So we have this cute sweater that I have on here. You also have this, I don't know, Nintendo, Switch. We have this cute paint palette, which I absolutely love. We have this cute camera, this super duper cute camera. We also have this notebook. These are all, well, most of them are like an homage to the Dress to Impress game that they have outside of this, like the horror game. They also have this new dress, which is here. I think they reworked it. It's not new. I think or it was like this all along, and I just did not notice. But the sweater is new. Can you have toggles? No. And the other new things are these Halloween items. So just look around and they have new items here. They have like a bell, a pumpkin, these outfits, etc., etc. Those are the new items you can get on the new update of Dress to Impress. I am very pleased with this update actually. Oh, they also have this pillow, which is new. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.